Okay, I'm here. Darian, you're smaller than you look like a squashed potato. I'm scared. No,
What's
you.
your name again?
This
G737.
Darian, can you Anna? Wait,
Okay,
Darian,
I'll
can
start
we
recording
know?
now.
Wait, are you recording?
Today I'll be playing with the B737. You cannot see my chat, but I'm chatting something.
Multiplayer add de.
What is games? Why do I keep being the first one to go into the house?
No, no. They're scared of you. They're scared of you. Darian, when if we die, we give each other 20
Oh
pesos.
my! James, I got flamed. We need another server without spin butters. Typing for a tiny second. Blizzard, I can hear it. James, and I'm spinning like a fan.
Whoa! Tiny, tiny. Darian.
Oh, oh my! James! There's a spin butter. There's a spin butter, I think. Oh, not the spin butter. I mean, there's a guy that's hacking and actually there's a spin butter.
Where? Can you reset where? Everyone,
There's hundreds of spin butters around here.
everyone looks normal.
A lot of people are not normal. James, there's hundreds of spin. I hope the spin butters evil, brother.
I saw the spin butter and I managed to not get flamed actually.
Okay, I'm recording now, James.
Okay.
We better run away from the spin butters as soon as we get spawned in. Our challenge is try not to die from a spin butter.
Yeah. But if we die,
James, I'm gonna hide behind the weather machine. You know, I'll just record when we start, when the mod there is record.
alright guys, so today we're gonna go to the headquarters. And I died
I almost
immediately.
that. So you give me your 20 pesos. Just kidding. Let's do it next round. Let's do it next round. These spin butters will because we need like a perfect spawn that goes so far away from the spin butters. Yay! I love going to the top of the towers when there's I think someone's gonna be trying. Oh wait. James, I'm trying to survive this.
Guys,
I
I'm
need to run
leaving.
away from James. I'm trying to run away, bro. I am surviving somehow, but I guess I'm not anymore right after I say that.
Darian, we're making
James, I'm hiding in the basement where everybody says is the safest spot.
Darian. I make me and the random people with a random girl, the random girl is making a tower. Hey, he left.
No, no. James, you know, I was trying to hide in the basement. It was not safe at all. Oh, the Tower of the Dees. Tower of Beauty. I'm gonna try making the tower go down because of this goodness.
Some random people are hugging me.
Just trying to get on.
Bro, am I
We're making a
talking
new
wrong?
tower. James, get on.
We're remaking. Everyone is gonna
Sorry.
delete everything. Oh no! Did you know how much a
Mon.
Roblox Bacon player can hold? 67 trillion tons.
James, now we're gonna start the challenge.
Okay.
Oh, shoot, I just searched out.
Terion, can we do realistic? Hello guys, so today we're in our school and today we're going to wait. Today we're in our school and damn, this high school these days are kinda
Out. Flash flood! James, go to the back immediately. Whoever survived the longest wins, remember? Went to the window.
si Tita Jo, ma, si Kim Jong.
James,
Si Kim Il Sung.
you can?
Where is the teacher, by the way? Our teachers are absent today. because she didn't know about the school. She didn't know what's happening in the school.
More is the safest. Hello. Imagine sliding off and getting hit by the Twin Towers.
Oh, I remember those
I think-
trends back in the day, and I wanna
remember.
that car.
Remember, James, every single time the building will collapse sometimes.
Oh, Terion, let's create a tower. Let's create the identical towers.
I'm gonna be studying on
Hopefully, an airplane doesn't hit us. Hopefully. Yes, sir.
Oh, I guess we have one more round. One more round. Whoever dies first.
I'm getting locked in, not locked in.
Longitude.
Longitude.
Hello, Mr. Random Person. Safety first.
Who's that?
Safety second.
Asawa ko.
Huh?
Wala kapag asawa ko. Ilamig ko muna. Kaya lang kami nakita.
Today I am gonna be a good driver.
Oh. So guys, we're at the construction site and everyone is doing their job normally. Just climbing into stuff. Playing with Lego in the construction site.
Help me, I'm stuck in the cement.
Cellphone ni Mami? Dinala niya ata. I have no choice but
I'm
to...
stuck in the cement. James, help me, I'm stuck in the cement.
Okay, where are you?
My legs are cemented now.
Guys, look!
You know,
I love my new shoes.
instead of going to the volcano, I'm just gonna hide. Because remember, whoever knows this,
I'm gonna touch you. I'm gonna touch you.
oh no, there's so many.
No, me. Ah! Just doing our normal construction.
Oh, whoa, whoa. 4 minutes. It's all level 5 minutes.
It's a normal day in a construction. Nothing bad will happen. Right, Terion?
And if the volcano people hit you,
Yeah, everyone doesn't care about the volcano.
oh,
I died.
there's my 20 pieces, brother.
Okay, I'll just wait until next round.
We have 5 more rounds to do, I guess. So if you win another time,
I'm gonna tickle you, Terion. Terion, I'm gonna tickle you. I'm gonna tickle you. Look. Our hard work finally paid off. Screw you, boss. Screw you.
Game, I have the best legs. I have the best. Let's go to
Terion,
the rocket.
no. Remember what I showed you earlier? Remember what I showed you
Game.
in the group? Oh no, it's about to take off. I'm in the rocket. Uh-oh. We're absolutely cooked, Terion. This is gonna be the worst. This is gonna be the worst, the worst days of our life.
There's no disaster. Babes. Tsunami!
We should have not launched that.
You died?
Yeah.
Oh, I guess you need to give me another code.
Wait, where are you, Terion?
I'm on top of the... Wait! Why am I so dumb? I need to be down here.
cellphone dyan. Akin na nga yung cellphone yan.
Okay, part 2 is gonna come. No.